What up, I'm Rob Level from Smart Rapper, and you probably know who I am. If you don't, you're going to. If you're an independent music artist and you're suffering from not knowing what to do next in your music career, no problem. I have the solution for you, and record labels absolutely hate me for what I'm about to show you and give you. Click this video and get the shortcut to the top of the music industry that's making all the labels furious at me. You'll instantly understand why when you see it too. You're gonna go, oh, no wonder he just gave him the blueprint. If doing music is really what you wanna do with your life, you need to see this video. Like I said, I'm Rob Level, I'm sure you heard of me. You know I know my stuff, and I've helped tens of millions of music artists in the industry. There's a reason I was able to do that. Click this video now and you're gonna see the shortcut to the top, all right? I'm Rob Level from Smart Rapper. Keep hustling, and I'll see you at the top, all right? Click this video, go get it.
Level. Ooh, I would've thought by now that I'd be way past these days. By now that my top be down on my brand new black Mercedes. Thought I would've made it by now. 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 Working 9 to 5, saving to survive. Pay the bills.